Unlocking the meaning, pushing up the shaft. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the nuances of the English language to help you master it, one phrase at a time. Today, we're exploring a rather unusual and specific phrase, pushing up the shaft. Stick with us as we unpack its meanings, usage, and the contexts where you might encounter or use it. Pushing up the shaft is not a commonly used phrase in everyday English and might be considered somewhat ambiguous without context. Generally, this phrase could be interpreted literally or metaphorically, depending on the situation. The literal meaning involves physically moving something upwards within a shaft, which is a long vertical passage, like those found in elevators, mines, or buildings. Metaphorically, it could symbolize struggling against challenges or making effort to progress in a difficult situation. In a literal sense, pushing up the shaft could refer to physical labor or tasks. Imagine workers in an industrial setting where parts or materials need to be moved vertically through a shaft. This phrase could describe their efforts to manually push these items upwards. It's specific to contexts where physical movement within vertical structures is involved. Metaphorically, this phrase takes on a more abstract meaning. Here, the shaft can represent a challenging situation or a difficult path one is navigating. Pushing up, in this context, symbolizes perseverance, effort, and the struggle to move forward or upwards despite the obstacles. It's a vivid way to describe someone's determination to overcome challenges or progress in their personal or professional life. Given its specificity and rarity, pushing up the shaft is best used in contexts where the listener or reader is familiar with the background or where enough context is provided to avoid confusion. It's more likely to be encountered in creative writing, speeches, or discussions focusing on struggle, perseverance, and overcoming challenges. When using it, ensure your audience understands whether you're referring to a literal or metaphorical scenario to convey your message effectively. Pushing up the shaft, while not a common phrase, offers a rich ground for exploration, whether in its literal sense of moving something physically in a confined space or as a metaphor for the human spirit's resilience against life's challenges. We hope this video sheds light on how English can be playfully and meaningfully manipulated to express complex ideas. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing more insights into the English language in our future videos.